Scoring up for race 8 on the program. All set, ready to go, race 8 on the program. 17:20 the journey all before them. Armfold Racing, Good Line came away with Show Some Faith, the early leader. On the outside, Ferric Dancer trying to challenge for that position second. Third place in Gold Onyx out wide, then Big in America between them. I'm All Courage, and To All the Tail is the one that's galloping Mammoth Magic, but into this bottom turn they race, and the leader is Show Some Faith out by 2. Gold Onyx second. Ferric Dancer third, the outside behind them. I'm All Courage, and then Big in America galloping, then Mammoth Magic toward the tail of the field. To the back they travel, the final event on the program tonight, and the lead time in out quick 6.6 and the quarter of 28.9. They're motoring along out in front, and this leader just sits back a little bit. Melissa Hawke, big meeting Canberra Sunday, and Show Some Faith, the leader, 3 parts of a length now. Gold Onyx on the inside as they go to this top circle. I'm All Courage following them through. Ferric Dancers ahead of it, and behind them is Mammal's Courage as they swing into the straight. One tail right off in the event is Mammal's Courage, and Big in America's tacks on down to the winning post. 2 to 1 to travel. They can hear the bell. 28.9 that quarter. The second quarter coming up now, 32.4 they steadied, and Show Some Faith the leader. On the outside is Ferric Dancer second. Third place in Gold Onyx. The outside is I'm All Courage, behind them Big in America, and last of all out of the straight is Mammal's Magic. To the back they travel to 600, well and truly behind them. They in fact have passed the 500 into the back straight proper. They race their way toward the 400, and Show Some Faith still doing it okay. Ferric Dancer on the outside is still close enough if good enough. Third place in Gold Onyx, I'm All Courage on the outside, and then comes Big in America, and Mammal's Magic's tailed off that quarter. 29.8. This will be a good run. It's the final event on the program tonight at Young, and the leader is Show Some Faith, who's being tapped along now. Ferric Dancer on the outside, and I'm All Courage joining in out wide. Big in America, 4 across the track. Here's a great finish for the last on the night. Ferric Dancer in the centre. I'm All Courage on the outside, puts its head in front, got there. I think I'm All Courage has beaten Big in America. Third close maybe. Ferric Dancer, and then Gold Onyx on the inside. Show Some Faith, and last in would have been Mammal's Magic. 2.72 overall time. Photo in the last on the program.